Hello, allow us to introduce ourselves to you so you have an idea of whom you are dealing with. Welcome to yet another no-thrills video taken by John, Joanna, or Poppy for our site bg.house. The company name is Nyama Problemi, which when translated, means no problems. Our property website is www.bg.house. All properties offered to you are 100% freehold, and we have been selling properties for 20 years, so we have all the experience to help in any situation. Our main office is located in the town of Popovo. Popovo is a small but busy town with a village-like community with a feel and outlook, which of course is a very safe environment to live, work and play. Whether as a retiree, young couple, or even as a child attending school, there is a lot to be said for the area of Popovo, which is in Targovishta. As Bulgarian edges closer to adopting the euro, property prices are on the move. Although there are some low-end investments still being offered on the market, these days they are becoming less and less as the prices are on the rise. As you watch the videos of these low-end properties, you may find yourself shocked by the state of the properties or the grounds, with literally rubbish left behind as they had not been cleaned out prior to being offered for sale. Or the gardens are all overgrown. Well, believe it or not, that is very good news for any low-end investor or purchaser. This means you are looking at a property with the scope to make a profit or buy it at its absolute lowest market price, with no more than a few days' work cleaning and moving rubbish. The property itself can be resold at a profit. Without a massive outlay on repairs, this is just one way to make a profit with ease. We are always on hand to offer advice if needed. On the other hand, there is an unbelievable demand for finished properties that are ready to move into. So again, the real estate market is well worth looking into. There seems to be something for everybody. Please subscribe to our channel below and visit our website and see what there is for you. The garden surrounding the Bulgarian house for sale is lush and green, stretching out to a generous 840 square meters. From every angle, the landscape presents a postcard-perfect image of rural life. A cool breeze sweeps through the property, rustling the leaves of the trees and filling your lungs with the freshest air you've ever breathed. The house itself is a thing of beauty, with a traditional Bulgarian design that exudes a unique charm. The two-story structure is built to last and is ready for you to transform into your dream home. Yes, it needs work, but with a bit of TLC, this place will become a haven that you'll never want to leave. As you walk up the external stairs to the second floor, you're struck by the stunning views from the balcony. The lush greenery below is a sight to behold, and you know that this will be your favorite spot in the house. Inside, the rooms are spacious and full of natural light. The first floor has a corridor and 2 rooms, perfect for hosting guests or setting up a home office. The adjoining building is a perfect addition to the property, with room and an old bathroom that is begging to be refurbished. Upstairs, you'll find another corridor and 2 rooms, both with a view that changes with the seasons. The vista will never get old, and you'll feel a sense of peace wash over you every time you gaze out of the window.